Hi dear Aries, how are you guys doing? So this is a journal love reading from 22nd of Feb till 28th of Feb. So we will tap into your energy and your partner's energy and we will see what the outcome will be till the end of Feb, okay? So your partner's energy right now is the Knight of Wands. They are feeling very passionate. They are ready to take a action towards you. They want their happiness back, that passionate energy back. They are feeling very I think they are feeling sexually very attracted to you right now, and they are feeling very passionate about you. This is a very steamy and hot energy present in this person's energy, your person's energy. And on the other hand, you are in this energy of temperance. So you are working on your temper, you are trying to balance out your emotions, you are working on your emotional side, you are working on your cups. So basically these cups are overflowing emotions. You are working out on your emotions. You are trying not to be overly emotional or totally emotionally off. You are trying to balance out your waters, balance out your temper, balance out your emotions right now. How your person sees you: Wheel of Fortune. They feel like they are very lucky to have you in their life. They feel like you are their lucky charm. They feel like the way you are in their life, this makes them very happy, and this makes them feel very lucky that they have you in their life. So this person feels you, sees you as a person who is very lucky and who makes everybody lucky, with whomsoever they talk to, with whomsoever they walk with or do anything with anyone. So basically they feel you, they see you as a lucky charm. They see you, that you make them feel very lucky. Whenever you are around, they feel wow, just wow, okay, right now. And this is your energy. How you see them: you see them as a Three of Pentacles. You see them as somebody who is very hardworking, somebody who is like ready to put an effort to work out in this relationship. Somebody who is very focused on their pentacles, focused on their work, focused on their business, very career oriented, and very self oriented, maybe you can say. You sometimes feel like your person is kind of selfish as well. It can be a third party situation as well. You can feel like your person is dealing with some other person as well, with you. But I don't feel like this is the case in this case, because I don't feel any kind of third party situation right now in this reading. But yes, it can also be a feeling from your side that you see your person as a third party, is in a third party situation, and that is why they are not giving you much of time or much of energy. But I don't feel like this is the case, okay? So what they feel about this relationship is the Nine of Pentacles. What I feel is right now they're working on themselves. I told you, I think. Right now they are working on themselves. Right now they are working on their business or on their job, or focusing all of their energy on themselves only, working on themselves, healing themselves, or working on their taking their own time to heal from something that was no longer working with them. So basically they are feeling alone in this relationship. They are in a relationship with you, but they are feeling alone and they are working on themselves. This is the energy. What you feel about this relationship is the Queen of Wands in reverse. You are feeling lack of passion, lack of compassion, lack of energy. You are feeling like there's no passion left in this relationship. There is nothing left in this relationship. You feel like this relationship is getting boring day by day, and this relationship is no longer the way it used to be. So basically you are feeling a little bored, and you are feeling a little withdrawn from this person. You are feeling like this. What they want from this relationship is the Magician. They are manifesting you. They want love from this relationship. They want a stable relationship with you. They want to manifest you back in their life if you are not in their life already. So they want you back in their life, and they are manifesting. They are using the law of attraction techniques to get you back in their life if you are not already. And they are creating their own magical world with you. They are creating their own beautiful world in their head or in their heart with you. Okay, they want to create a stable and open and honest relationship with you, and they are manifesting that. What you want from this relationship is the Queen of Cups energy. You want stability, you want love, you want passion, you want creativity in this relationship, because what I told you before as well, you are feeling like lack of communication, lack of passion in this relationship, that and you are feeling like this relationship is not going anywhere right now. So that is why you are You want this relationship to be very lovely and very passionate and stable as well, okay, emotionally stable. The outcome from their side is a world. So they are blocking, they are completing one cycle with you, and they are ready to start a new beginning, to start a new chapter with you. Basically they see you as their world, they see you as the wheel of fortune for them. So basically they want to start a new cycle with you, ending the old cycle, shedding the old skin, and they are ready to start a new cycle with you. And maybe they are taking steps towards you, maybe they are going to communicate with you in the future, maybe in these coming days, and things will take a turn for sure, okay, from their side. From your side, this is the Empress. I feel like you have already decided what you want from this person or this relationship, and I feel like you are going to stick to your decision no matter what they say or what they do. So you have taken a decision and you are sticking to it, and you are, maybe you are now working on yourself only. You are creating your own emperor, you are creating your own empire, and you are sticking to your decision. So for you it is kind of energy, the Empress energy is working on yourself, working on your pentacles, working on your creativity. And you are alone, but you are not feeling alone. So you are working on yourself, you are looking sexy, you are looking good, you are looking very seductive to other people, and you are feeling good in your own skin. You are in this zone of, I don't need anybody right now, I am feeling good. So till the end of Feb, I don't feel like you are going to be in a relationship, or you are going to go back to this person or be in a relationship with somebody. So basically you are working on yourself, and you are feeling very very good about yourself right now till the end of Feb, okay. And the potential for this relationship to grow is a Hanged Man. I don't feel like there's some potential, there is any kind of potential right now in this relationship, because the Hangman energy is a stuck kind of energy. So basically this is a stuck energy, and you just have to work on yourself. Both of you should work on them, yourself only, and then proceed further in life, because this is the potential outcome for this relationship. The Hangman energy is, it is like, you need to see things from a different perspective, both of you. Then only this relationship can work out. And this is stuck energy, you have to come out of this energy, okay. And the guidance from the universe is the Star. Never lose hope, because there is always a light at the tunnel, at the end of the tunnel. So there is always some kind of spark or light, okay. So the time, I think the timing is not right now. The timing is not right now. That is why this is happening with you guys. So basically trust the universe, trust the universal timing, trust the universal clock, and things will be in a good flow very soon, okay. And message from another oracle card, love tarot deck, is healing heart, healing from heartbreak, freedom from toxic relationship or addiction. So you should heal your heart, both of you should heal your heart first, and then come back to each other maybe, okay. Just read it aloud for 3-4 times, and you will get the message very very clear about yourself and about this relationship in particular, okay. So yes, this is all about your love life till the end of Feb, Aries, and I hope it will help you to take a firm decision. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.